Okay, guys, people have been talking about seeing the app Genshin Impact all over the train, and I actually saw one. Like Paimon was all over the doors. Like, like I looked everywhere, and every single picture and part of the train was covered in Genshin Impact themes. And and when I looked at the door, I saw Paimon there. Like, if you've seen this, then tell me. It's very weird to see a train covered in your favorite game. Can't you believe it? Genshin Impact game, more like Genshin Impact trains. Wow, it's so popular already, and it's all over the place.